Welcome to our in-depth review of the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard, a revolutionary solution designed to enhance your typing experience while reducing strain on your wrists. This keyboard aims to redefine comfort, productivity, and modern ergonomic design, making it perfect for professionals, gamers, and anyone looking to reduce muscle fatigue during long hours at the desk. Let's begin with the standout design features. The ERGO K860 boasts an improved typing posture solution with a curved split keyframe. This design naturally aligns your hands and fingers, significantly reducing strain on your wrists and forearms. The keyboard's sloping profile, coupled with an adjustable palm lift featuring tilt legs set to 0, -4, and 7 degrees, ensures your wrists remain comfortable whether you're seated or standing. This level of adjustability is a major plus for anyone who spends long periods typing. Another key feature is the pillowed wrist rest. With a cushioned memory foam layer and a raised design, it offers 54% more wrist support and encourages a natural typing position, lessening the bending curvature that typically leads to discomfort. Moreover, the perfect stroke keys with their scoop-shaped design brilliantly contour to your fingertips, promoting a tactile and fluid typing experience. Each press is deliberate, solidifying the sense of precision and ease that Logitech has meticulously crafted in this device. Connectivity is another area where the ERGO K860 excels. It offers both Bluetooth and USB connectivity options, offering flexibility across both Windows and Mac environments. Additionally, the customization offered by Logitech Options software lets you create tailored shortcuts, assign function keys, and even keep track of battery life, which is extremely useful in a busy work environment. While the advantages are plentiful, the product isn't without minor drawbacks. Some users might find the size of the keyboard a bit bulky, which may require adjustments to desk space or personal preference in layout. However, compared to similar ergonomic keyboards on the market, the ergonomic design, high-quality materials, and sustainable manufacturing aspects, including the use of recycled plastics and responsibly sourced packaging, make it a standout contender. For those looking to maximize their use of the ERGO K860, consider taking time to customize the function keys and shortcuts via Logitech Options. Experimenting with the adjustable tilt settings can also help you find the most comfortable configuration for your unique setup. In summary, the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard is a well-rounded product, delivering exceptional ergonomics, build quality, and versatile connectivity options. It is ideally suited for professionals and power users who desire both comfort and efficiency. Thank you for listening, and we hope you found this review helpful. Have a great day and happy typing.